This video shows a typical use case for Blackbird's data platform. We'll focus on the Midland SubBasin in West Texas, and we'll find out which operators have the highest oil IP rates. Users get to this data platform through a link on the login page at blackbirdbi.com. We'll click on U.S. Well Production Data Power BI Report. We're on the Oil IPs 1 page, and we'll arrow up on our table to operator. Let's rank the operators by the blue column to see that Pioneer had the most well starts with 2192 since 2014. We take the max production for each well during the first 6 months and we call that the IP rate. We can see the average for Pioneer's wells is 872 barrels per day. Those are huge wells and the very reason this area is getting so much attention. Let's look closer at this operator visual, and since there's so much variability in the monthly data, we'll arrow up to look at yearly data instead. We can see mostly consistent growth from all the top operators. ConocoPhillips had the biggest wells in 2017 and 2018 at over 1,000 barrels per day. Pioneer took the lead in 2019 and has the highest overall average. It's that easy to rank, compare, and analyze operators. Feel free to take screenshots to paste into reports or emails to save you valuable time. These wells are so big, it's no wonder our permits video shows Pioneer and others have increased drilling permits lately. And it's no wonder our production forecasting video shows continued production growth over the next 5 years in most scenarios.